In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Doge on Uniswap step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org and then connect your wallet. Then switch to BNB chain. You can see it here. And then go to coinmarketcap.com and on the search bar type down Dogecoin or Doge. And under the contract address, just click here to copy the contract address. Go back to Uniswap, click here, paste the address here, click here, click here, and then you can select what token you want to swap, for example, BNB. And then, for example, I want to swap 0.0002 BNB, and then I will receive this amount of Doge. Then click swap, click here, click confirm. So make sure that you leave enough BNB in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. And then let us wait for the transactions to be completed. And now you can see that the transaction was successful. And then let's go to MetaMask wallet. So if you can see your Dogecoin in your MetaMask wallet, just click import tokens. Paste the contract address here of the Dogecoin and click add custom token. Click here. And now you can see that I approximately have 0.75 Dogecoin in my MetaMask wallet. If you have any questions about how to buy Doge on Uniswap, leave a comment below.